With just a single photo and a few prompts, you can create cinematic, personalized AI videos with lifelike motion and dynamic camera controls, all with Higgsfield AI. Hello everyone, I'm Thomas, and today we're looking at Higgsfield AI, a next-generation video generation platform that brings your ideas to life with stunning realism and control. Whether you're a creator, marketer, or just want to animate yourself in iconic styles, Higgsfield AI makes it possible right from your phone or desktop. This video is split into timestamps, so feel free to skip ahead if you want to jump to a specific part. What is Higgsfield AI? Higgsfield AI is an advanced text-to-video and image-to-video platform that uses artificial intelligence to generate short cinematic video clips. It stands out for its ability to create realistic human characters and motion, offering granular control over camera angles, movement, and scene dynamic. With just a selfie or a prompt, users can generate videos in over 30 styles, from anime to classic cartoons, making it ideal for social media, marketing, storytelling, or even meme creation. Price: free trial available. Try out basic features before committing. Paid plans start at $9 a month. Unlock longer videos, more styles, and advanced controls. App access: the Diffuse app for iPhone in the US uses the Higgsfield model and lets you create and share short AI edited videos of yourself and friends. Enterprise and creator solutions, more advanced features, and studio-grade tools are in development for business and professional users. That wraps up our review of Higgsfield AI. If you have questions or want to see a deep dive into its cinematic controls or style options, drop your question in the comments. I'll make a video just for that, and don't forget to subscribe for more AI tool reviews. Thanks for watching.